A manhunt is on tonight for a suspected killer who police say gunned down a Maryland judge last night. Washington County Judge Andrew Wilkinson was shot outside his home. Police say the gunman then took off and is still at large. They consider him armed and dangerous. And tonight they're linking that gunman to a divorce case that Judge Wilkinson had just presided over earlier in the day. NewsNation correspondent Evan Lambert has been on the story all day and joins us now live from Maryland. Have there been any sightings, Evan, of the suspect?
Elizabeth, no sightings reported tonight. This all unfolded in the driveway behind me, and tonight now an urgent search for that suspect.
This was a targeted attack on Judge Wilkinson.
A 52-year-old Maryland judge shot to death in his driveway Thursday night, according to police. His wife and son were inside the home at the time. Investigators revealing the Honorable Judge Andrew Wilkinson presided over the divorce case of the prime suspect, 49-year-old Pedro Argote, granting his wife custody of their children in a hearing just hours before the suspected murder.
There was a proceeding earlier in the day, a divorce hearing, that Argote was not in attendance of that, though.
Previously a law clerk and private attorney, Wilkinson took the bench in Washington County, Maryland in January 2020. He was also a youth soccer and baseball coach. In a statement, the Maryland judiciary expressed its condolences, saying in part, quote, "The Maryland judiciary is actively engaging with law enforcement to assist in resolving this matter and to ensure the safety of our judges, staff, and visitors, which remains our top priority." Argote, who court records show had been in divorce proceedings with his wife since June of last year, remains at large. He is known to drive a silver Mercedes SUV like this one with Maryland license plate 4EH0408.
Argote is not in custody and is considered armed and dangerous. If anyone has information on Argote's location, we ask that they immediately contact local law enforcement.
And the county's Bar Association is grieving tonight, saying that the judge treated everyone who came before him with dignity and respect.
Wow.
Elizabeth?
Evan, that is really something. Is there any concern that any other judges may be at risk, or was it just isolated to this one particular divorce case that he presided over?
So investigators say right now there are no other threats to judges that they're aware of. Last night they did surge police resources to other judges in this county because they didn't know what was going on, but it seems like they don't believe there are any ongoing threats. Elizabeth?
Part of a wave we're seeing of violence toward judges. This is not the first time. Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.